Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a recurring first move. So it's another move of a recurring type, so just like a recurring catapult or lots of others, you get one section of the move and join it back to itself, so you can effectively do a loop inside the move and repeat those bits. Obviously you need to know a first move already, link in the description below in case you've never learned one of those, but it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we recurred it twice, so we did 3 first move twist outs. You could recur it 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Generally more than 2 or 3 gets boring. If you've got something good in the music that 4 is going to work well with, then great, yeah, but don't overdo it. We'll break it down and we'll start this side. So normal first move to 4, so we go back, in, twist and prepare. So we've set the lady up for the turn. Normally we'd send her forwards and we'd line up with her. Today we're going to send her across to our left a little bit, so she's actually directly in front of the fella's position as she heads out. So we'll send the lady into the turn. As she does that, we walk, so she ends up on our left hand side as we walk forwards, but we keep an eye on her the whole time. So she comes round, we keep an eye on her, so we end up facing each other. We reach through between the arm and the body to pick up the frame again. Lady's naturally connecting back up to the shoulder, and we're into another twist out, back where we were before. We can do the prep as before. Again, we're going to do a second one so we've got good practice. Send the lady straight forward so she's in front of the guy as opposed to straight forward in front of the lady. And as she heads, guys walk forwards, keep an eye on the lady, pick up the frame and twist out. And then it's just finish the first move as normal. We'll do it from the other side. Not that it makes a big difference in this move. And we'll think about some numbers. So we're going to go back 1, in 2, twist out 3, twist in 4. We're going to send the lady into the turn and walk across the back 5, collect and twist out 6, preparation 7, changing sides 8 and twist out 1, preparation 2, turning 3, facing 4, returning 5 and back 6. So your turn, here we go, all together. 5, a 6, recurring first move. We go a back, in, twist, prep, turning, twisting, prep, turning, twisting, prep, turn and face, return and back. And just for completeness, we'll go over to the other side, and this time instead of recurring it twice, we'll just recur it the once. So we'll do 1 this end, 1 that end. Here we go. 5, a 6, double first move. You go a back, in, twist, prep, turn, twist, prep, turn and face, return and back. Obviously, of course, you could call the 3 a triple and you could call the 4 a quadruple, but it's all just a recurring first move. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Much appreciated by us, because it all helps promote the channel and dancing generally, because let's face it, if we promote dancing anywhere, it's going to help everything out. And finally, I'll put a music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to. We'll catch you next time. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.